You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. If you want to learn more vocabulary in English and pronunciations of animals in particular, stay tuned. Mammals. Let's break it down. Ma, a clear A sound here, and then moles. Moles. Actually a Z sound at the end, and it's a schwa sound. It's a M sound, not a Ma sound. So it's not mammals, but mammals. Mammals. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.